Welcome to the Mqlrobot EAS channel. In this video, we'll walk you through the structure of our powerful Bollinger Band Pro EA built entirely using FXdreema. No coding required. This EA is designed to trade Bollinger Band breakouts using smart logic for entries, grid re-entries, and dynamic exit management. Whether you're a beginner or experienced in automated trading, this breakdown will help you understand how the robot works behind the scenes. Entry strategy. The EA uses classic Bollinger Band breakout logic combined with candlestick pattern filters. It waits for bullish or bearish candles to close outside the bands, indicating strong price movement and potential momentum continuation. For buy entries, it checks for a bullish candle with a low below the lower band. For sell entries, it looks for a bearish candle with a high above the upper band. This ensures that we only trade when the market is showing clear signs of a breakout, not just random volatility. Grid logic for scaling in. Once an initial trade is placed, the EA uses a grid-based system to manage re-entries. If price pulls back or moves against the initial trade, the EA checks for spacing between trades using a custom grid distance setting. New trades are only added if the current price is favorable, there are no trades nearby, and the candle meets the same breakout criteria. The grid logic allows the EA to handle volatile markets by averaging entry prices strategically, rather than overloading with random positions. Dynamic lot sizing. You can set base lot sizes for the first entry, lots, and a separate value for follow-up trades, lots X. This gives you flexibility to scale with risk while maintaining control. Exit and profit taking. The EA is designed to close trades in profit, either based on a fixed pip gain or when price action retraces to a safer level. It checks for profit levels with two configurable pip targets, and once the condition is met, it closes all positions for that direction. Once the trades are closed, it resets internal tracking variables to prepare for the next setup. Important reminder: before using this EA in live markets, always understand the strategy and its risk profile. Make sure to backtest with 99.9% tick data and analyze performance under different market conditions. Even though this EA is automated, responsible trading still requires human judgment in risk management and optimization. Built with FXdreema, no code. Everything you see here is created using FXdreema's visual logic builder without writing a single line of code. This makes the EA easily customizable, so you can modify conditions, add filters, or adjust the grid behavior for your preferred strategy. Thank you for watching. If you find this content useful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and check out more builds in our playlist, Build a Forex EA Robot No Code FXdreema, on the Mqlrobot ES channel. Let's automate smarter. See you in the next video.